Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we're starting on chapter 8, operation. So operation is related to our operation plan in our group assignment, and this chapter is about operation plan, but it is more in detail. It speaks about supply chain management. So what does it mean by supply chain management? Maksudnya kita mentadbir rangkaian dari supplier. And rangkaian dari supplier is not just about supplier. It is about manufacturer, distributor, retailer. In the end, it go to customer. I repeat, the supply chain tu consists of merangkumi yang paling upstream, yang paling atas. Of course, kita ambil raw materials kita from the supplier. Supplier is the top of the upstream supply chain. After that, it goes to manufacturer. Then because manufacturer, kita boleh ambil juga barang from the manufacturer, or we ourselves yang manufacture. Okay, and then we distributor. Maybe we are also distributor, but maybe we are not. So kita juga maybe kita hanya ambil barang straight from distributor or manufacturer belakang tu, or supplier belakang sekali. And then supplier, manufacturer, distributor, then retailer. Retailer ni penjual. Kita sama ada kita yang jual atau kita suruh orang jual. In the end is the customer. So yang paling bawah sekali downstream is this customer. Distributor, retailer, customer tu maknanya menuju ke downstream. It's like sungai yang paling bawah sekali. Hilir sungai, because in the end kita jumpa the ocean. So obviously supply chain consists of the supply side and the demand side. Kalau sesiapa student yang belajar ekonomi akan faham supply side and demand side. Kenapa kita belajar supply chain ini? Because we want to balance the supply and demand, supaya bila kita beli barang raw materials, for example, adakah kita beli tu kurang, less than the demand of customer for our product and services, ataupun kita beli barang tu from the supplier tu, for example, adakah terlampau melebihi, you see, or outweigh. OUTWEIGHT, outweigh ni makna melebihi what we should have bought in the first place. So kalau kita beli lebih pun kita rugi, you see. So we have to do a good managing system. We have to do a good management system to match our supply and demand, supaya it give profit for our product or services. So basically the supply chain management ni, apa yang dia berharap akan bagi pada kita, supply chain management wants to achieve the right product, the right price, the right store, semua yang sepatutnya je lah. Bukannya kita membazir duit beli entah barang apa-apa, in the end tak ada demand pun, ataupun beli terlebih atau terkurang. The right product, the right price, the right store, the right quantity, the right customer, the right time. Timing is very important, okay? Kalau kita beli raw material yang disposable good, DISPOSABLE, disposable maknanya barang yang cepat rosak, then if we buy terlampau awal pun, too early when we buy the thing from the supplier, from upstream supplier, maka in the end we will lose, because barang tu will be damaged, rosak. So we have to match the right product, the right price, the right store, the right quantity, the right customer, the right time, so that in the end we get the profit. Kalau ikut PowerPoint, higher profits than what we have now. Okay, so Menda sambung lagi. Thank you.